Hello everybody, it's Cassie with Surprise Let's Play, and today we are going to be opening the new Litter 5 Aphmau MeeMeow plushes, and you can find these in the Valentine's section at Target. So without further ado, let's just get started and see who we have to unbox. I wonder if this is the same as... as the last litter. This is so cute. I hope I get Jellyfish Cat. She's pink. These are all so cute. Okay, let's see who we got. Oh, nice. They're in little plastic baggies. Or what is this called? Foil? Foil baggies. Is there a pull tab anywhere? I don't see a pull tab anywhere. I see this little hole. Here's the pull tab. See? Okay, who'd we get? Cute! We got Seahorse Cat! Seahorse Cat has the cutest little curly tail ever. Look how orange she is. Okay. Let's try for this one. And please ignore my nail. I broke it just barely eating crab legs at Red Lobster. Oh, cute. Octopus cat. Oh my gosh. Why didn't I want this one first? I love this cat. Oh, look. Ooh. So cute. Aww. She doesn't have paws, so they gave her this little heart. Does this one have a heart? They all have little hearts. How cute. Okay, so they don't have paws. They have little hearts. Oh, they do have paws still. They still have their toe beans. But they have little hearts now. Wow. Fancy. And they feel really soft. I don't know if that's any different than last series, but this series is still super cute. So let's open this one. Let's open all the corners. Oh, and we got another octopus. Let's see if we can play tic-tac-toe. Cute. Okay. Look at their little ears. Octopus cat has really pointy ears. I love it. And she's got little bubbles in her eyes. Okay, let's go for this one. Ooh, ooh. Dolphin cat. We got dolphin cat. Yay. Swimming, swimming, swimming. She's so cute. Dolphin cat, away. Bloop. Okay, we opened all the corners, so let's go to the middle. Another, oh no, we got Stingray Cat. Oh, a Stingray Cat. So cute. I love this one. Look at its little tail. It's a cute little stingray tail. Okay, I'm so excited. I just want to grab this one right now. Yay! We got Jellyfish Cat. Oh, look at her cute little jellyfish tentacles. I love her. Oh, she's so cute. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. So cute. Okay. Let's go with this one. Ooh, is this lobster cat? Yes, and I just had Red Lobster. This is my favorite little cat. So cute. Look at this lobster. I mean, I had crab legs, but you know, Red Lobster. So, it has a little heart on its little heart. It's so cute. Okay, 2 more. I'm really excited. Do you think we'll get the turtle cat? I think we have everybody but the turtle cat. We need turtle cat, which is a rare, I think. Yes, a rare. So we might not get a turtle cat. But let's see. Oh, look at we got turtle cat. Oh, I'm so excited. We have everybody. Look at that cute little shell. Oh, she's so shiny. Hi, guys. Come play with me. So cute. Okay. What could the last one be? I'm going to guess. Wait a minute. We don't have whale cat. We don't have whale cat. Oh, this better be whale cat. It's probably not whale cat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it's whale cat. We got whale cat. So cute. He just swimming. Just swimming. So cute. I love this series. I think from this series, my favorite is Turtle Cat. After seeing him in person or her in person, I absolutely love Turtle Cat. Just look at that cute little face. And then definitely Jellyfish Cat because I love her tentacles. Red Lobster Cat just because I went to Red Lobster. But oh my goodness, they're just so cute. I love this series. Remember, you can get them at Target in the Valentine's section. All right, if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, comment below and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.